crude oil hit $68 levels, the crucial resistance which it has to break, and it is seen slight struggling. It is showing slight struggle there at 68. Can we expect a breakout in oil beyond 68, where we will aim for 69 or $70 zone, or the highs are done, we should wait for a reversal? Today's inventory data in oil should add further to the volatility. Which direction it's gonna go, we're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. Also the natural gas, see natural gas beautifully, it has got its support intact. 3.28 last couple of sessions we have seen 3.8, 3.285 offering it a good support. Today it has moved a little lower, 3.275. Now this is important, it has to now stay below 3.3, 3.28 in order to confirm further downside, else it should be treated as a double bottom and a bounce back could be seen. So what should be our strategy? Let's see here. This is the second update, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates with detailed analysis and precise levels so that you can trade with profits. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first oil followed with gas. Watch till the end, and yes, do not miss to join the next mentorship batch starting in couple of weeks. Learn the art of trading yourself and enjoy the trading journey. Reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Now look at the hourly charts in oil. Now crude oil, I have mentioned this rise, retracement towards 20 period, rise, retracement towards 20 period, again a rise. And see, this is a double top here. It has formed a double top. What the highs we had seen yesterday, it has formed a double top and now reversing. Now it is pretty important for oil to break this 67.3, 67 zone. Once it trades below 67.3 and 67, that is the point of time you can confirm. Now it is showing slight bearishness, and now it is pretty important for oil to break below 66.5, 66.4. A drop below 66.5, 66.4 certainly should confirm more bearishness ahead. Stock is bearish, MACD trying to cross over for a sell, RSI trading bearish here. On the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See rise, retracement, rise here. Forming double top, it is trying to reverse. I'll wait for 67.3, 67 zone to be taken. Once these levels are taken, you can stay bearish for 66.5, 66.4. Else, as long as now 66.5, 66.4 is not taken, you should not be treating oil as bearish. And yes, see, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, breaking beyond 68.1, you can stay bullish for 68.6, 69.2. The moving averages have crossed over here. This is bullish crossover, and the stance is right now bullish as well. Stochastic bearish, the MACD almost flat, it is waiting for a crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Interestingly, the crossover here again is on the buy side until 66.5, 66.4. We have got very, very good support. Now see, after forming the base, one good bullish candle, then a swing. So now today, as I said, the selling entry is only below 67.3. Else what could happen? It is again going to deliver a good bullish candle here, which is going to take it, once it trades beyond 68.1, we are looking forward to 68.5, 68.6, and then 69.2, 69.3 levels. Be watchful. Still, I will not say, as long as, in fact, even if it tries to show you a swing till 66.4, do not treat oil as bearish. Pretty clear here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still bullish. The RSI is flat here. On the 4-hour charts, and you look at, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Rise, retracement, rise here. Higher lows here, higher highs here. And this time again, higher highs are seen. 67.3 is what it should breach. I am just worried about this double top, and thus it is pretty important for oil to break beyond 68.1. Beyond which you can say more bullishness should. Beyond 68.1, we can expect it to move towards 68.5, 68.6, and a 69.2, 69.3, and then 70. See what's happening after the rise. It is trading in this flag formation. Once it breaks out, more bullishness should be seen. And right now, below 67.3 is where slight bearishness, 67, 66.5, 66.4 should be seen. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still rising, the RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts, notice only worry point, see it is formed double top, and see diminishing bullishness. So these are the two worry points I am having right now. And yes, on the downside, still I have got supports here intact. Only if it breaks below 66.4, you can say this is reversal. Now see what's happening. Rise, retracement. Here also it is formed double top. Then rise, it could again retrace as it is trading in this retracement channel. So now after the rise, we can possibly, as long as now it is 68.1, 68.2 is not taken, we should not be treating oil as bullish. But once it breaches this, We are looking forward to a bigger bullish candle here. So let's watch out which direction it gives this breakout. A stochastic rising, MACD willing to cross over RSI flat. Now, see how easily we have identified the levels. You should join the mentorship batch in order to learn this art of trading. The next batch starts in a couple of weeks. Join it today, reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for details. As be a part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can profit. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAF-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Now considering this, one thing is very clear, 68.1, 68.2, you should wait for it to break now. Beyond which you can expect 68.5, 68.6, 69.2, 69.3 and 70 as the three targets which are easily achievable. Beyond 70, in the near future, we are looking at 71.8 and 72.6 levels very soon, if not today. Today's move will decide the direction it wants to take. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry only at 67.3, where you can see a move towards 67, then 66.5, 66.4, and if at all oil decides to trade below 66.5, 66.4, stay short for 65.8. 65.4, and below this it's a reversal, it's gonna crash sharp. I do not expect that, but yes, the double top it has formed at 68.1 is making me a little cautious. Let's watch out the direction it takes. Now let's move to natural gas. Natural gas achieved lower lows here, hitting the lows here at 3.275. Now trying to retrace a little. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 3.3536 zone, because beyond this 3.4 should be there. And see what it has done, it has formed a double top, and that is why I have mentioned, see, these double tops are very crucial. What has happened, we have seen it forming slightly lower lows. Now ideally you should take this as double bottom, but this is slightly lower. So let's watch out the direction it wants to take now. Ideally, right now, once it trades below 3.28, more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen a good hit. It is trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. The RSI is just coming out of the oversold zone. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, it's showing a reversal after diminishing bearishness. It is showing bull, first greener candle. Once it trades beyond 3.3536 or this zone between 3.3537, you can expect more bullishness to prevail towards 3.4, 3.45 and in fact 3.5 levels. I hope this should be treated as double bottom and it moves towards upwards towards 3.5, and beyond this 3.6 should be seen. So let's wait. I think the lows are done possibly once it breaks, but remember, once it breaks again below 3.28, that is going to deliver another great bearish move. Be mindful of this. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD is still bearish, RSI rising from the bottom. On the 3-hour charts, when you see similar observation, diminishing bearishness trying to break out, a move beyond 3.3537 should confirm the breakout on the upside. Else, right now it is not showing the bullishness here. Stochastic rising from the oversold, the MACD bearish, the RSI trying to bounce back. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. This is going to be a pretty important zone between 3.35, 3.37. As long as it stays below this, you have to be careful. And then 3.4 should be there, 3.45 and then 3.5. Only and only if NAT gets trades above 3.5, treat this as bullish. Three things are getting oversold here, be it the stochastic, but MACD after a retracement, again crossing over for a sell, which is not a good sign. RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. Now on the daily charts, notice what it did yesterday is a double top, and then since then today again it has started on a bearish note. Suggests that it is delivering lower highs and lower lows here. Once it trades lower, once it trades below 3.28, you can expect more bearishness towards 3.25 and 3.2 levels. Remember, I have been sharing this below 3.4. Ideally, the next targets are towards 3.3 and 3.2 levels. And below 3.2, it's going to directly land at $3 zone very soon. This is possible, and it is possible that today is the day when it may try to do so. Let's see. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI looking downwards again. So if you see it is staying below 3.28, take a sell for 3.2524 and 3.2. Once it trades below 3.2, 3.12, 3.11 next, and $3 zone has to be there very soon. Either today or tomorrow, it might try to hit that if it stays below 3.2. Hence, take your trades, take your positions accordingly. On the buy side, now remember it could still reverse. On the buy side, the buying entry is about 3.35, 3.375. And once it trades beyond this 3.4, till 3.4, stay cautious. Beyond 3.4, it might show a reversal. Beyond 3.4, 3.45, 3.5 has to be there. Beyond 3.5, it's a greater reversal towards 3.6 and 3.8 zone. Let's see the direction it takes today. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you.